Hi, and thanks for joining me. This is the first in a short series of videos exploring config drift and updating configuration in an Oracle SOA Cloud Services environment. In this video, we're going to use MyST for Oracle Cloud to check an existing configuration for config drift as preparation for creating a new JDBC data source. Now, that's twice I've said config drift without explaining exactly what it is, but don't worry. I'll get to that in just a second, with an example that we can talk through. Let's get cracking. I go to Discover in the toolbar, then select Cloud Services. I select RxR SOACS 03 from our list of services. This is the one we're going to update the configuration of. I click on the Actions menu, then select Check for Drift. MyST then connects to the RxR SOACS 03 environment and compares the configuration in the version of our model most recently used in the environment against the actual configuration found in the live environment. So, for those of you new to the concept, drift is the difference between the version of the model that we're using and what MyST finds in the environment. So, how we've drifted away from what's expected from our controlled configuration. I'll click refresh at the right of the screen to make sure I'm seeing what's current. And there we go. MyST has completed my action. I click the View Report button at the right of the screen, and MyST gives me a formatted view of what it's found. So what is MyST telling us here? New objects, that is ones not found in our model, are shown in green. Missing objects, ones that are defined in our model but not found in the environment, are shown in red. Our stock assets JDBC system resource is neither, so MyST is telling me that some configuration has changed. Specifically, the JDBC pool params. I click on JDBC pool parameters and voila! We can see that the max capacity has changed from the expected value of 20 to 45. So why do we care about this? Why is this important in the big picture? We work with the overhead of modeling our environment configuration in MyST in order to allow the creation of standardized environments. This ensures consistent behavior all the way through from development to production, consistent performance, and all of our required infrastructure being present. Sometimes though, configuration management practices collide with time pressures. This increase in the maximum number of connections to our backend database could have come from the results of performance testing and might be necessary for peak load periods in production. Or it might be a leave-over from before serious performance tuning was done. Either way, the discrepancy is highlighted and it becomes the start of a conversation to get back to a point of consistency. That's the biggest benefit of config drift checking, highlighting inconsistency and starting those conversations. That's it for this video. Join me in the next video in this series when we update our model with a new JDBC data source. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the Rubicon Red MyST channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.